A while ago, I showed you guys how to find the 4 aces in any deck of cards, and today I'm going to explain that process to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually just start with putting these 4 aces at the top of your deck, and you just repeat the same process I outlined from the last video. You just divide the deck into 4 equal piles, like so. And then what you're going to do is you want to memorize which pile of cards essentially has the 4 aces. So in this case, it would be this pile over here, which has these aces. And you want to remember that. Now, what you're going to do is do the same process from the last video. Take the top 3 cards, send them to the bottom of the pile, and then take the next top 3 cards, and then put one each on the top of the other piles. And what this is doing is that by the time you get to this last pile, which you should do the process for last, you'll have 3 random cards on the top of the pile, which come from the 3 other decks. So essentially, again, take these 3 cards. One goes onto each pile here. And then same thing here. Take these 3 cards, put them to the bottom. The 3 cards to the bottom doesn't actually really do much. It's just for a pattern that I'll show you later. And then for this pattern that I was talking about, you take these 3 cards, which are essentially random cards from these other 3 piles over here. You just set these to the bottom, and then it makes it look pretty sort of normal with comparing to the previous process we did with the other piles. Therefore, leaving the next 3 cards on the top to be aces, and then the next card after that also an ace. So therefore, this pile still has an ace, and you put one ace, essentially unknown to the spectator, on top of each of the other piles. And then all you have to do is just flip all these cards over, and there you go.